Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at the Fluidmaster 400A, their basic fill valve. So when you get your valve, it's going to come in a box like this, and it's going to have the hose, it's going to have a manual that explains what you need to do, and then it's going to have the valve. Now I'm going to go through some of the basics real quick and kind of show you how you adjust and set this valve. The very first thing to know is this hose is going to go on right here. And you are going to have a tube that comes up in the center of your tank, and this will have a little clip, and it'll clip right onto that tube. And what this does is this fills up the actual bowl, not the tank, but the bowl. To fill up the tank itself, the water shoots out of this bottom area right here. So the whole unit is all plastic, which is great. You don't have to worry about corrosion and things like that inside of the tank. But what I always do is take my old valve off. You're going to have a nut here. You unscrew that nut after you've shut off your water, and you will slide the old valve out. You'll take this valve, slide it back into place. But before you do that, take that old valve, put them side by side, and adjust your length. It may need to be longer, may need to be shorter. If you see the little spirals here, this is made to adjust. This little rubber clip slides backwards, and I can slide it up or down, lock it back into place, and put it in. So it'll be the exact same height from the top here to the bottom as my old unit. Now when I put that unit in, I want to make sure that this float is going to shut off as the water goes over the top of that valve that this hose attaches to. So to do that, all you're going to do is turn this either clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust this float to get it right where you need it to be. Very simple. That's how you're going to set it up. Now, one other thing you can do if you have an old valve is you can actually open this up and replace the gasket. Now, it's very simple. Turn it, pops open. There's your gasket right here. You pull that gasket off. You can buy this gasket separate and try that too if you're having a problem. Put the new one on. Be careful, there's a little pin here. You have to line the pin up just like that. Pop it back into place. Put this back on. It's just like a medicine bottle. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and you're good to go. So if you need to replace a valve, you cannot go wrong with getting the Fluidmaster 400A, which is your basic valve. They do have a few others as well. You can check those out. But if you want to make sure it's done right and you don't have any problems and it holds up for years to come, get a Fluidmaster. They are a proven product. I hope this helps. We will see you on the next one.